Top 5 abilities of successful security officers. In today's complex and ever-changing world, security officers are critical in maintaining safety and security in various settings. Security officers play a vital role in maintaining the safety and security of individuals, businesses, and communities. Security officers must possess skills, abilities, and personal qualities to succeed. To excel in their duties, these professionals must possess diverse skills that enable them to handle various situations effectively. Here are 5 core abilities that every security officer should strive to master: emotional intelligence, communication, observation, problem-solving, and integrity. First, emotional intelligence. It all starts here. Emotional intelligence is a vital skill for security officers. It allows them to control their own emotions and recognize and respond to the feelings of others. Security guards must manage their emotions, remain calm under pressure, and empathize. This skill helps them interact with the public respectfully, diffuse tense situations, build rapport with individuals from diverse backgrounds, and resolve conflicts peacefully. By developing their emotional intelligence, security officers can improve their ability to provide adequate security services. Second, communication skills. Effective communication is paramount for security officers. They must convey information clearly and concisely, both verbally and in writing. Whether interacting with fellow security officers, supervisors, or members of the public, clear communication helps build trust, diffuse tense situations, and ensure that critical information is accurately shared. Security guards must also be skilled listeners, able to gather and assess information from various sources to make informed decisions. Third, observational skills. Security officers must be highly observant of their surroundings. The job of a security officer can be physically demanding, requiring long hours and potentially dangerous situations. Security guards must maintain high physical fitness and stamina to carry out their duties effectively. They should be able to notice and interpret subtle changes in behavior, body language, and environmental cues. This keen sense of observation helps them identify potential threats, suspicious activities, and individuals who may pose a safety risk. This includes responding quickly, restraining individuals if necessary, and navigating challenging environments. By actively observing their environment, security officers can anticipate and prevent potential incidents, maintaining a safe and secure environment. Fourth, problem-solving skills. Security officers encounter various challenges and problems in their daily duties. They must be adept at diffusing tense situations, managing emotions, and resolving conflicts peacefully. Security officers often face challenging situations that require quick and decisive action. They must make sound decisions under pressure, often with limited information. The ability to analyze a situation, assess risks, and choose the most appropriate course of action is crucial. Security officers often encounter conflicts or disputes. In such cases, they must possess the skills to manage emotions, diffuse tension, and resolve disputes peacefully. To be an expert in conflict resolution, one must possess excellent listening skills, empathy, and the ability to find common ground between conflicting parties. By maintaining a calm and professional attitude, security officers can de-escalate situations and restore order, ensuring the safety and security of everyone involved. Effective decision-making hinges on experience, training, and a strong understanding of security protocols and procedures. Security guards need strong problem-solving skills to assess situations, analyze information, and make quick, informed decisions. This ability allows them to respond effectively to emergencies, resolve conflicts, and ensure the well-being of those under their protection. Fifth, integrity. Integrity is crucial for security officers as it fosters trust among colleagues and their community. Upholding honesty and ethical behavior allows security officers to instill confidence in their abilities and to maintain a positive reputation. Mastering integrity as an individual in security involves doing the right thing when no one else is around or checking on you. Security officers frequently work independently. Mastering integrity as a team of security professionals working together can be found in a Latin phrase from the work of the first 2nd-century Roman poet Juvenal, translated as, "Who will guard the guards themselves, or who will watch the watchmen?" The answer to this age-old question is we do, by establishing the highest security team standards that immediately address and remove unethical people within the security team by the security team. Security officers effectively promote their brand by demonstrating integrity as individuals. By demonstrating integrity as a team of security professionals, security officers effectively promote professionalism within their field. Conclusion: security officers play a pivotal role in safeguarding our communities and assets. These professionals can excel in their duties and provide invaluable protection by mastering the essential skills of emotional intelligence, communication, observation, problem-solving, and integrity. In addition to these essential abilities, successful security officers should possess a strong sense of ethics. They must be reliable, flexible, trustworthy, and able to work independently and as part of a team. By embodying these qualities and abilities, security officers can promote their brand and contribute significantly to the safety and security of their communities. As the security landscape continues to evolve, investing in developing these skills is paramount to ensuring the effectiveness and preparedness of security officers in maintaining a safe and secure environment. Alliance Training and Testing, the Security School of Choice in Tennessee.